honeys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful deep wave frontal wig from Tinashe hair. If you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about packaging. When Tinashe sent me this wig, they also sent me over some goodies. They sent me a comb, some clips, some wig caps, a bonnet, a headband, an edge brush, and some lashes. Also sent me a wig band. I am so sorry I forgot to use it in the tutorial. So in the package, they also included a hair care instructions card, which I found to be very useful, just showing you how to take care of the hair, or human virgin hair in general. Okay, so now I'm just showing you the wig cap construction, and then next there'll be a clip of me showing you how it looks after I bleach the knots. I'm not going to talk through the whole tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Let's get into this install.
Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
Y'all, this hair was so freaking beautiful. Whether it was wet or dry, it was just gorgeous hair texture. Extremely soft, bouncy, shiny, like healthy. Like, baby, this hair was giving.
Think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
Okay, so now I'm just doing some final touches on the hair. I'm going through it with the brush to just detangle it. I'm going to hit it with the hot comb a couple more times, just, just to do a run through. And then the next couple of clips, I'm going to be defining the curls, just making the hair look nice and juicy, making those curls look nice and juicy. But I just want to say this wig was one of the easiest wigs that I have ever installed. The lace was amazing. The hair texture was amazing. The presentation, like, I really don't have anything bad or negative to say. Like, it's nothing but good things over here when it came to this hair.
Without LLC protection, a lot of people are too afraid to start their business. I got you. Go to Taylor Brands and follow my steps for officially
Do y'all see that lace? No, you don't, because it's giving scalp. Everything was perfect about this wig, from the lace to the hair, like the texture, the bounce, all of that. I absolutely loved this wig install. I want to say thank you to Tinashe Hair for sending me this beautiful deep wave wig. I absolutely enjoyed this install. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.